Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use frame.io for client review. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use frame.io for client review, all you gotta do is simply go to frame.io. Once you're in your frame.io, you need to simply upload your video asset, then use the share for review feature to generate a secure link, which you can send to clients, allowing them to leave time-stamped comments, joins, and approvals directly on the media via a web browser or app, streamlining feedback before final sign-off. You can integrate directly from editing software like Premiere Pro for seamless uploads and version managements, making feedback precise and easy to implement. So if you're going to do this, then you can simply use frame.io for client review. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.